What's up, YouTube? You want to get into some carpet cleaning nerd stuff, right? If you're a carpet cleaning business owner or new to the business and trying to figure it out, pet treatments are one of the ultimate gold mines in this business. So if you're not doing a good pet treatment or you're not offering it, you're really dropping the ball. So this is going to be about doing a proper pet treatment on residential carpet as well as commercial. All right, so let's get into it. What's up, guys? So this is going to be one while I'm waiting. Real quick, I haven't put out a video about a week actually. So this video is going to be all about pet treatments and how to do a proper pet treatment. So proper pet treatment, you're going to have to follow all the rules, but there's one rule that's mandatory. So when you vacuum, right, you got to make sure you do a really good vacuum. I mean, you got to vacuum anyway, right? Just make sure you're doing a good vacuum because of the pet hairs. So if you got pet urine, then you probably have pet hair in the carpet. So vacuuming, right? And then you mix up your pre-spread, or if you're spotting, you mix up your little spotter, like something like that, or whatever solution you're using to do pet treatments in. So I recommend oxy products, not enzymes. Okay, so you can learn hard way if you want. Go ahead. So what I do is either do that and I mix up my recipe, green Rhino cocktail, or if I'm doing a wall-to-wall pet treatment, I'll go ahead and mix up something like this. All right, so it's a 3-part solution, right? It's a pre-spray, an oxy, and a deodorizer. And the products I love, you keep watching the other videos on this channel, or if you're a student, you already know. All right, so I'll mix up a cocktail. I'll spray that stuff down all over wall to wall, and then we're gonna agitate. So there's a Shark machine right here. It's a CRB. There's a plenty of different type of CRBs out there, but it doesn't matter. Go ahead and use whatever CRB or scrubbing device. Even if you have just a broom scrubber, like something like this, it still needs to be agitated in. So, all right, so agitate it in. And by that time, you're ready to extract. Dwell time, is good. And then extract. So check out this video and see exactly how it's done. Very thorough. If you don't agitate your pre-spray in, then you're gonna not have the best results, especially when it comes to the odor problems. Getting that solution mixed into the fiber really good is really gonna help. Now, if you just do a topical spray, right, and especially if you don't do enough, then what do you think is gonna happen if you don't agitate it? So anything you do in life, when you're washing something, needs agitation. Washing your dishes, washing your laundry, back in the day, before washing machines, they had to, scrub it together, to get the best results. Washing your hair, everything needs agitation. So, in general, agitation is great. Sometimes isn't necessary, but it's when you get experience in this trade, and you know how much of this stuff to put down, and the product that you're using very, very well, you can pick and choose. Right? But if you're doing a full-on pet treatment, highly recommended to go ahead and agitate everything. So he's upstairs agitating this job right now. So with the CRB, I'm just gonna do the stairs with this. Okay. I always agitate stairs anyway. In this case, we're doing a full pet treatment. So. Notice we're protecting the corners. Very helpful. When you're working upstairs, you need to anchor it up because you're going to be playing tug of war, and it's going to really suck. So you can get a lot of different. This is more of a belt, so you put this around your belt buckle, right, and hook it and give you a little slack when you're doing stairs. So basically, that's what that's for. But I use it for both. All right, so basically, with Green Rhino Project YouTube channel, it's a training. It's carpet cleaning training. So you're on the right along with this. But if you're looking to perfect your craft in carpet clean, or just learning the beginning, want to know the fundamentals, this channel is going to be great for carpet cleaning training. Okay. So that's just one aspect of the business. So you got to really think about, yeah, you know how to clean carpet, but now, you need customers, right? So that's what Green Rhino Academy is here for. So link below all my videos for people that are already in business and want to scale. We got you too. All right. All right, guys. So I forgot to wrap up the last one, the final results of the carpet, but unnecessary. I think you get it by now. See you in the next one.